Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power is reaching the device. Plug a known good charger into a working outlet and wait 30 minutes. That rules out a deeply drained battery. While it charges, inspect the USB-C port and cable for lint, bent pins, or fraying. Physical faults stop charging. If you have an alternate Chromebook-compatible charger, swap it in. This verifies the adapter. Once done, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds to see if any LED or screen activity appears. If simple charging didn't wake it, perform a hard reset to clear temporary firmware hiccups. Press and hold the refresh key plus power for about 10 seconds. This reinitializes the embedded controller that manages power. Make sure you remove all USB devices, SD cards, and HDMI cables because peripherals can block post. If the screen displays a firmware or OS recovery prompt, follow on-screen recovery keys or create a recovery USB on another computer. As a last in-home step, and only if you're comfortable, unplug the internal battery after powering down and removing the charger. Wait a minute, reconnect, and reassemble to reset hardware-level faults. Reconnect the charger and try to boot while watching LEDs and listening for post tones so you can report precise behavior. If the Chromebook remains unresponsive, make sure to document what you tried, what lights or sounds occurred, and then contact Samsung support or a trusted repair shop. This information speeds diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.